which means hello. Morgen. For good morning, we say Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. For good afternoon, we say Guten Mittag. For good afternoon, it's Guten Mittag. And for good evening, it's Guten Abend. Guten Abend. And to say good night, it's Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht. And to say goodbye, that's Eddie. Eddie. Now, to inquire after somebody's health, or to start a conversation, you ask, Wie geht het? How are you? Wie geht het? Now, if you're feeling really great, you say tip top. Tip top. If you just mean I'm fine, it's Het geht. Merci. I'm fine. Thanks. Het geht. Merci. If you're just feeling so-and-so, it's not so good. Not so good. Not so good. Or if you're just feeling bad, you say schlecht. Schlecht. Now, to introduce yourself, I would ask you, Wie heetst du? Wie heetst du? Or, Wat is dein Naam? Wat is dein Naam? What's your name? And to reply, you say, A Schächen. Mijn naam is. You would either say, A Schächen. A Schächen Paul. My name is Paul. Or you would say, Mijn naam is. Mijn naam is Paul. My name is Paul. That was lesson 1.